I believe is all about passion. That is what drives us when things get tough. So in my personal statement, I explicated how passionate I was about my subject area, highlighting my future ambitions and expectations. And I presented my key skills and achievements that would make me a good candidate for the chosen programme of study.
I found that using the UCAS website was really useful because they list what different universities are looking for, how you can structure it. I personally asked family members and friends that had done it before and got their advice on it.
I showed off the work experience that I had. I also highlighted my part-time jobs just to show that I can be committed to something.
Speaking about yourself, about how a disabled student goes through the education system and what he or she wants to do in the future.
They do look for certain things like what your hobbies are, what you're hoping to do in the future and your aspirations, what my personal attributes were, so what I enjoy doing, what I've done in the past, sports, any previous experience. So you're just trying to sell yourself, really.
When it came to preparing my personal statement, I got a lot of support from my tutors in sixth form and my teachers. I must have done at least 10 different drafts of it.
So I had support from the teachers in school, mostly my criminology teacher and also like the head of sixth form as well. I sent them like my personal statement and they looked through it and gave me feedback.
The careers team there was great and they managed to help tweak my personal statement to stand out a little bit more.
There's loads of services available when you're writing a personal statement. There's loads of websites that can offer you hints and tips, and there's loads of workshops available through universities that show you how to highlight yourself.